Hi guys, it's me Shantae and welcome back to another episode of Shake It Up with Shantae. If you've been here before, welcome back as always. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And thank you guys as well. Look, listen, I know y'all read the title and you've seen that I am making some turkey wings today. So if you're going to enjoy this video and you want to watch it, feel free to thumbs up the video and go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so. But today I'm going to be showing y'all my very simple, easy peasy way how to cook turkey wings in the oven. You can smoke turkey wings, you can fry turkey wings, but I'm going to show you how Shantae cooked them in the oven. Without further ado, let's shake something up. Alright, so what you're going to need here is I have 4 big turkey wings. If you want to get you some smaller turkey wings, you can. I like the smaller turkey wings, but my grocery store had the big ones, so that's what I got. I wanted turkey wings. Alright, so you're going to need an onion and a bell pepper, some Worcestershire sauce, some minced garlic, some garlic powder, some paprika, some black pepper, some onion powder, some Cajun spice, some chicken broth, and some butter. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my butter. Let me slide this down. I'm going to take my butter and put it in a bowl and melt me some. I'm going to use maybe about a half a cup of butter. Okay? And I'm going to melt this in the microwave along with the minced garlic. Okay? I'm going to melt this all together in the microwave. Okay? Let me put this in there real quick. Alright, so now that my butter and my garlic has melted together, I'm going to drench this all over my turkey wings. Okay? Put that all over my turkey wings. Alright. Now I'm going to take a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil, you can use regular oil. Let me use olive oil. Whichever one you prefer. If you want to use regular oil, you can. If you want to use olive oil, that's fine too. I'm just going to do olive oil today. Alright. So now I'm going to take my seasonings. My Cajun seasoning, because I want mine more Cajun. I'm going to put extra Cajun seasoning on here. And this is not going to be too salty. Okay. All right. I'm going to put some onion powder. Put some paprika. Paprikas, make sure that your turkey wings don't come out looking pink. They're going to come out looking done. Even though sometimes they be pink, they look pink, but they're still done. Put some black pepper. Open this up big side. Okay. And I'm going to put a little Worcestershire sauce for now. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this and rub all of this in. Just like this. Make sure you massage all of this goodness in. You're going to get the back side and everything. That butter and that oil is going to make it stick. So you want to get all of that goodness all up and through there. Okay. Put them back in the pan. So deserving. Alright. Let me wash my hands. Let me try to arrange this real pretty. Okay. That's good. Alright, so now that that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of salt and just sprinkle a little bit of salt so the salt can bring out the other flavors. And this is sea salt. You can use regular table salt if you like. Just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more paprika. And I'm going to add a little bit more of this Cajun spice. Alright. So now I'm going to cut up my bell pepper. Make sure you wash your bell pepper. And bell pepper and onion is optional. You don't have to use it, but I like to use bell pepper and onions in just about everything I cook. If it can go in there, I want to use it. I'm just a bell pepper and onion girl. Okay. And they don't have to be pretty slices or anything. Not unless you want them pretty. You can make them pretty. But I like to take that white part off my bell pepper for some reason. I don't know. But anyway. Put that right on there. Now, if you wanted to make some gravy in your turkey wings, like if you want to have it with mashed potatoes or rice or something like that, you just sprinkle you about a half a cup of flour on your turkey wings. And the same way you sprinkle your seasonings on there, you sprinkle the flour as well. And you just massage the flour with all the seasonings. You massage all of that in and just add you some water to come up to cover the turkey wings. And when you cover them with the foil and let them cook in the oven, once it's done, you'll have gravy. All right, I'll take this. Sprinkle that on there just like so. This to me makes the turkey wing. When you put onions in there, honey, bell pepper, this gonna make it. This gonna make it. Sprinkle me a little garlic powder on here. Just like that, y'all. Just like that, honey. And sprinkle me some Worcestershire. Just like that, honey. You can use as much of this as you like. It don't even matter. Now, I'm going to take my chicken broth. You don't have to use chicken broth. I'm just going to pour this on the side. I ain't going to pour it over because I don't want to knock off my seasoning. But I'm going to pour it. Not enough to cover it, but just enough to come up to the side so it can steam when I cover this up. So let me get me foil. Cover this. Dog, I didn't even preheat my oven. 350, okay? Now I gotta wait till it get hot. When y'all covering this, make sure you cover this tight. This is gonna go on a 350-degree oven for 2 hours. Cover this tight. 350 for 2 hours. You ain't gotta come back and check on it. You ain't got to do none of that. You just going to cover this tightly. Stick it in your 350-degree oven for 2 hours. After 2 hours, come back, take the foil off, and let it cook for about 20 more minutes. If you want it to kind of crisp up on the top, instead of cooking it for 20 more minutes, broil it. Set your oven on broil and then do for 20 minutes. So once I take my foil off after 2 hours, I'm going to see then, do I want to broil it or do I want to continue to just cook it for 20 more minutes? So if it's still, we know it's going to be done, but if it looks pinkish and not really brown like I like it, sometimes it do, sometimes it doesn't, depends on how much water you have in there. So then I'll go by that and I'll let you guys see after 2 hours when I come back. Y'all, so it has been 2 hours. And I'm going to check on my turkey wings and see what they look like. Okay. I have not opened these. I have not checked on them. Whew. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at them turkey wings right there. Look at them turkey wings right there. Now, what I want is a little crisp to mine. Turn my oven to broil. And give them 15 minutes on broil, maybe. All right. So, I set my oven on broil. Broil start on. Okay, I'm just taking some broth, just putting it on top of my turkey wings just like so. That's why they look so good. Okay, and I'm just gonna sit them in the oven. I have my broil on high, and I'm gonna sit them in here on broil on high for about 15 minutes, and we shall return. Y'all look at that. 15 minutes. 15 minutes on broil. That's it. Easy turkey wings. Easy peasy turkey wings. Now, when you're seasoning your turkey wings, you can use whatever seasoning you like. Whatever seasoning you like to taste, you can season them. I was just showing you the way of how to cook them. But this is how simple, easy, make a, turkey wing. Basically simple. It cooked for 2 hours on 350. After the 2 hours, I let it cook on broil for 15 minutes so that the top can get a little bit more crispy and a little bit more brown. But if your oven don't have a broil on it, which I'm thinking it should, you can just let it stay in the oven for an extra 20 minutes and it may crisp up. Just turn your oven up high to like 400 and then let it just cook for an extra 15 to 20 minutes. But that's it, y'all. That's a simple turkey wing dish. I'm going to plate it up and put a fork in it and let you see how tender it is. All right, y'all. I have been going in this kitchen. I did another video today as well. So y'all gonna see him in another video right behind this one with the same shirt on. But that's okay. All right. Put a little bit on this on there. Put a little bit of onions on there, honey. Y'all, let me put this fork in here and let y'all see how tender this thing is. And it's a little crispy. Look at that. Look how tender that meat is. Look how tender that turkey wing meat is. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me taste this for y'all. I'm gonna get a little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of onion, a little bit of this turkey wing meat. Woo! It's hot too, y'all. But I can't wait to bite into it. Lord have mercy, Jesus. It don't need nothing. No kind of sauce, no nothing, y'all. Perfect. Perfect turkey wing, y'all. Y'all better make y'all turkey wing just like this, honey. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all, best turkey wings I've been for eating. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so every time I upload one of these easy peasy simple recipes, y'all will be notified. And please don't forget to share. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.